Good morning, dear students. Today we're going to start talking about expressing of certainty and uncertainty as part of your communication lessons. I want you to remember that you can pause and replay the videos as you go to better understand. We're going to start by analyzing these sentences here. I want you to pause and take all the time you need to better understand the sentences. But since we don't have too much time, we're just going to go and try to decide whether these sentences express certainty or uncertainty. Certainty simply means if you're sure about something, and basically uncertainty is the opposite. As you can see right here we have an expression. Yes, I am sure, and I want you to decide whether that's an expression of certainty or uncertainty. If you're thinking about certainty, that's right. I am sure is an expression of certainty. Now here we have another expression. I believe that. That's an expression of, that's right, certainty. A third expression is I feel uncertain about it. As it says, that's right, an expression of uncertainty. And then we have I'm in two minds about that. That's also an expression of, that's right, uncertainty. And the last one here, it goes without saying. Yes, that's an expression of certainty. Now, we're going to move on to this chart and try to add other expressions. You can go to the internet and look for other expressions, but here I'm going to give you a few more. We can start by expressing certainty by using expressions like, yes, I am sure, I strongly believe that, it goes without saying, yes, I am certain, I have no doubt about it, I am positive, I am quite sure about it, I have no doubt about it, I am absolutely certain. Certainly, or simply surely, which is less used. It must be. Other expressions of uncertainty are I feel uncertain about it, I am in two minds about that, I doubt it, I'm not really sure about it, I don't know for sure, it's very unlikely, I have my own doubts, I don't think so, I don't believe this is true. There is some doubt in my mind. Perhaps, or simply, maybe. Now, I need you to take some time again and try to find out what these expressions or these people try to express. If you think that this is a question about expressing certainty, that's right. Are you sure? The answer is yes, I am quite sure. That's an expression of certainty. Here, are you sure is also again the same question as the first one. Here we have no, I doubt about that. That's also an expression of uncertainty. Now, I want you to take a few moments and think about whether these exchanges express certainty or uncertainty, and try to choose the best answer. Here you have four different options, A, B, C, D, and I want you to try to read and find out which one fits better. If you're thinking certainly, that's right. Now let's move on to the second exchange. If you're thinking again, yes, I'm quite sure, that's also right. Exchange number 3. The best option is, I doubt it. That's correct. And the last exchange is, best option? Sure. That's correct. Now I'm going to leave you with this last slide, and I want you to try to take some time again and think about how you would express your certainty or uncertainty about each of these statements. You can also refer to this chart right here for your reference. Thank you.